So I'm driving to go and get tested for the COVID-19 virus. Somebody at my office came down with it. And so just as a precaution, yesterday I had a bit of a chest thing, like a cold or whatever. So I thought as a precaution, let me go and test. So they just told me I can't get tested unless I wear a mask. You sell masks? I would have thought there'd be a lot of people getting tested.
We are doing very good. We are a good
Oh,
team.
that is so sore. Oh, ouch. Wow, that was sore.
I know.
Oh. That, by the way, was insanely painful. Jeez. Hi, my name is Thabo. After watching a Casey Neistat video, I got a tattoo. Cool, don't you think? A week later, I got retrenched. I don't think the two are linked. I used my retrenchment money to buy a vehicle I wanted since I was a kid, a Unimog. I will turn this into an expedition vehicle and travel the world. Come with me on my journey, and if you become a patron, you can join me on an expedition. I don't want to travel alone. Subscribe and join me.
It's gorgeous.
Mr. Nell,
Yeah.
I am pleased to know that you're negative.
Oh, excellent. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
You won.
Okay, yeah. I've got a house full of people. There's some people here that are at risk, so this is brilliant.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. I just won the lottery.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that evidence.
So here's how it works. The cable with the little stuff on it to protect the wires, which I should do for the whole truck. Actually, I'm going to do it. I've bought some of this, but just a bigger one. And when everything is done, I'll just put that stuff around all the open cables and just button it up so it's all nice and professional. So here we go. So these two goes to the actual lights. So they plug in. Then they go here to the solenoid that switches on power for those lights. There's a fuse as well. Yeah, it's a bit tricky with the fuses. Everything's got its own little fuse. So if something blows, you've got to go and find the little fuse and then replace it and see what fuse it is. I've got to get extra of these as well. And then in between the lights power, this is what goes switch everything on. I'm going to put another bit of wire that then is going to trigger all the other lights. So when I put it on brights, all these lights go on because of that trigger. Because I have to do that by law. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But because this box is completely water sealed, I have to drill a hole in order to get my wire out. There we go. There's the grommet. And everything is plugged in. That goes in there. So I've worked out that the power coming into the dim light on this side is not working. So somewhere along the way it's gone busted. I'm not going to fix that. I'm going to get an auto electrician to sort that out. I mean, it is a simple way of fixing it. You just tap it off the other side, pull it in here, but it's a workaround. It's not a good way of fixing it. So okay, so this is, I haven't wired this in yet. So what I'll do is I'll just do a temporary thing here, and it just does not reach. Look at that. It just does not reach. Maybe I can, oh no, there it reaches. Okay, let's put this in temporarily, just for the test. So that goes in there. This is exciting. So I'm gonna, I hope nothing goes wrong. Okay. Not smelling smoke. Let's go look outside. Nothing. Oh, it's these ones. Look at that. Oh, I switched the wrong ones on. Look there. Okay. That works. Good morning. It's a lovely day in Sydney. It was supposed to rain today, but it's not raining, which is cool. Today I've organized an auto electrician to come and just finish off my lights. My lights actually work. I wired it up. Let me show you. Wow, look, it's working. They're all working. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's a lot of light. So the brights work, everything works. Even the one that didn't work the other day. I discovered a loose earth wire. Look at that. Isn't that glorious? Gee, I'm completely blinded. Might be a bit too bright. So I bought myself a, what do you call these things? It's not a CB radio anymore. It's just a radio. It's a really nice one. It's dual channel, so you can have 2 channels running at this. I'll figure it out. But that's it. And here's my little stubby aerial, and then I have an aerial that screws onto this to make it longer. And I'm going to fit that there, like there. There's a hole there. It's not big enough, so I'm just going to drill the hole bigger, and bang, in it goes. So, gloves. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? If I'm in, I don't know, I think in open area or hilly area, not sure which one it is, and I take that cap off and I put this one on. That's pretty cool. Sorry, what's your name?
So my name is Marty.
Oh, nice meeting you, Thabo.
It's a weird name.
Marty.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Okay.
when
That's a good name.
when two people that have
mine
actually
is-
created something unique,
Yeah.
it doesn't really work out.
Yeah, mine is Thabo, which is also a weird name.
There you go.
So I've installed these lights. These lights, I've replaced these with LEDs. I've installed these lights.
Yes.
So everything's just installed. I've wired these ones up. I've wired these ones up. My main problem now is my dim has disappeared on this side.
Okay.
And these are fairly new LEDs that I've, you put those LED
Yes.
things in.
So is he using
So-
the H4 bulbs?
Yeah, is that what? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know why it has suddenly stopped doing. Okay, so this is a military vehicle.
Yep.
This is not like a normal one.
No.
So everything has to be from the front. So I'll quickly open that for you.
I'll turn on the other one.
Yes, it's working as well.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not the bulbs itself, so that's cool.
So that's all right.
So it's somewhere along the line, something.
What I'm going to do,
Yeah.
all right, so what I'm going to do is get you to go into the vehicle.
Yeah.
Put on obviously just the ignition.
Yeah.
But don't start it up.
Okay, yeah.
And
absolutely.
I would like you to put on just the not the Parkers, but just the normal lamps.
Yeah.
So not high beams, just normal.
Yeah, just normal. Okay.
Trust me, when you work on Mercedes, you start to realize exactly what having issues is.
Yeah.
Great cars, but Jesus.
Yeah. Well, these ones are military spec, so it's slightly different. They were built to last for the motors is supposed to last 1 million miles.
Right.
So and everything is over-engineered on this thing.
Easiest way at the moment would be to basically run the power that's coming out of here for
Yeah.
your normal lights.
Yeah.
To run it across and obviously have it in some conduit,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Yeah. I mean that.
So if you're happy with that,
Yeah, I'm happy with that
you can
because
definitely get that.
because this is just there's just too many wires in this thing.
What it will do is that I will isolate that end,
Okay.
and then it will be run.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just to bring that basically down there. So just the normal lights.
Okay.
Okay, normal lights good. High beams, please. Yep. And now high beams off. Okay, so can you independently turn off those main spotties?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so just high beams on, please. That's it. So high beams again.
It is on high beams. Yeah.
Okay, so normal lights, please.
There.
Beautiful. High beams. Okay, now your spotties. Beautiful.
So that's my new radio, which is installed down here. So that I got it professionally installed, because you know, don't know anything about this stuff. I still have to figure out how to use it. No idea. Got the manual. I will learn it. And my another addition, which is really cool, is my map, off-road map thingy. It's a HEMA HX1, and so the maps apparently are really good. The little, you know, GPS thing apparently not that great, but good enough. I'm off to work early in the morning. I have to take the ferry. There's no parking at work at Channel 7, so, but there's not a way at where to travel. You know, there's I think 3 of us on this ferry that's designed to carry hundreds of people, and I have a whole ferry myself. Not bad. The city for the last bit. Last.
Hear that music?